Hi, today we'll be showing you how we can manage consignment stocks in SQL Accounting. To do this, you will need the multi-location stock module. So to start, first we will need to create a location to manage the stock received in consignment. To do this, all we just need to come is to stock. Here we go maintain location. Click new. And let's say example we create a location called consignment. Consignment location. And once you're done, you just press save. So let's say example your vendor sends you some consigned stock. All you just need to do is go to purchases, click documents, and we press goods received. To create new one, we just press new. We'll select our vendor. Say example we want data office, and then here we will select our product. Say handphone cover. We'll select here the location. Let's choose our consignment location, and then we'll say okay, they send us 100 pieces and each piece will cost us $10 per piece. So once we're done, we just press save. So that's how we record the goods received on a consignment basis. So let's say example your customer wants to buy this product. We come to sales, we press invoice, we press new. So today let's say example alpha and beta, they would like to purchase handphone cover, and from here we need to make sure that we are select the location. So if the location is not showing here, all you just need to do is right click, view chooser, select my location, click it, drag it here, and from here then we can actually choose the proper location. Select consignment location and say today I'm selling pieces at $10. Okay, let's change the price to $20 per piece, and once you're done, you just press save. Okay, so what happens is SQL also has a report that allows you to generate a report for consignment products sold. To do this, we just need to come back to sales here, click report, then we have one report called sales analysis by document. So let's say today I want to see for the month of June. I put 1st of June till 30th of June. I will select the location, say consignment location. So instead of customer here, I will actually change this to product. So press item code, and we just select here I want to see the quantity instead of the amount. So once you're done, we just press apply. The system will tell me, okay, for the 1st of June till 30th of June, I sold handphone cover 2 pieces for the whole month. You can also generate a report here, press preview, and the system will tell me handphone cover 2 pieces for the month of June. Alright, so once this is done, you can actually use this to cross-ref with your supplier invoice when they invoice you for this consigned product sold. Okay, so once you have done with this, let's say example the supplier sends you the invoice. So all we just need to do is we go purchases, purchase invoice, press new, select data office, you'll right click here, we say transfer from receive. So you can see just now we have received 100 pieces, but now the products are sold at 2 pieces. So we select here, we'll change the quantity here to 2, press OK. So once done, just press save to generate the invoice. So this feature will allow you to actually control and manage stock received on a consignment basis. This can be also used for a sales level, and then it will allow you to keep track of what is the consigned products in your client's office or in your customer's office. Alright, so that's it for this session. Do follow us to keep up to date with any new how-to guides. Also leave us a message or any content you would like us to create. Thank you and have a good day.